Hi guys, my name is Izzy Rios, one of the sales managers here at Kia of Everett, and today we are going to be showing you Park Assist feature on the EV9. All right guys, here's a perfect scenario, right? I don't know why, but it always seems to be the Wrangler guys. Now you'd think you'd expect this vehicle up on the mountain, no? But 9 times out of 10, nope, they're parked right next to you in the parking lot, blocking you from getting into your vehicle. Now I'll show you how Park Assist can benefit you. Now, standard on the GT line trim, but also available with over-the-air updates in case you did want this feature. The Park Assist is pretty simple to use. You simply hit lock on your vehicle, remote start on the opposite side, and then just simply hold down the button to back it out of the spot or put it in the spot. That simple. All right guys, and now with your vehicle pulled out, you're ready to go. Simply hop in, load the kids up, and take off. Now guys, it's not just the Wrangler guy that can get in your way. Sometimes a cement post at the airport or a small home garage doesn't allow you to get into your parking spot. For that, you have forward parking assist. And here's how that works. You're gonna simply lock again, remote start your vehicle, and instead of hitting back, you're gonna hit forward on the button. Rest assured that one thing about this system that it does is it uses its perimeter sensors to make sure that you're not gonna be hitting any objects while the vehicle is parking itself. So anything that is in front of it, behind it, small child walking in front of the vehicle will automatically stop itself to make sure to prevent that unfortunate incident that could possibly happen. All right guys, now me being a parent, probably just like most of yourselves, one of the things you're probably asking is, how accurate are these perimeter sensors? As I mentioned before, Kia has incorporated these sensors all around the vehicle so that even when Park Assist is on, you can rest assured that you're not gonna be running into any children or people in parking lots. I'll demonstrate how that works. The sensors are active. Thus, as soon as the vehicle starts moving, it's paying attention to its surroundings. All right guys, now that scenario was an adult walking through the parking lot in front of the vehicle. However, there are scarier situations like when your small child runs away from you in a parking lot where the vehicle can literally sense that child running in front of it. When we say active, we do mean active sensors. And that's even when a small child is running in front of the vehicle. All right guys, that concludes today's EV9 Park Assist feature video. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your business. Please hit like and subscribe, and if there's any other questions, feel free to call us.